time of year, snow's falling down.
Good morning, boys. Today we got an exciting video. We got our OG $4,000 turbo pheaton hyper scooter that we're gonna be doing a build series on. Today we're just gonna be stripping it down, just getting an idea of how this thing's built. Pretty simple, but we're gonna dive into this along with a pro scooter as well. We're gonna strip it down, get it ready for a powder coat, and then we're also gonna get some slick tires on this, hoping to get like titanium color bolts and all that. But I'll leave your guys' opinion on what color theme you think I should do. I'm thinking just jet black all around, just murder it out. But it is broken right now, so I gotta order a hub motor and controller. But we're gonna go ahead, go inside, and jump straight into this, boys.
What do you want for Christmas?
Hose.
Alright boys, so we're just hopping straight into this now. Only tools you're really going to need for taking apart this whole scooter is some Allen keys, a crescent wrench, and some channel locks. So I'm going to go ahead, stop talking, catch up with you guys at the end of the video with all the parts we took off. So let's get her done, boys, and if you guys want to make some extra money, check the comments and you might just have a chance to win some Venmo money.
O neon é meu lar, Hokage é meu sonho. Jinchuri que dá Kyuubi, força que me consome. Naruto Uzumaki, o ninja imprevisível. Lutei contra a solidão, meu destino invencível. Rasengan girando, kunai na minha mão. Chakram planejante, sou a determinação. Do Ishiraku-hame até o topo da montanha. Minha história de superação, a vila me acompanha. Meu rival, Sakura meu amor, Kakashi Sensei nos guiando com valor. Juntos enfrentamos a Akatsuki Orochimaru, protegendo a paz, nosso laço é verdadeiro. Rasengan girando, kunai na minha mão. Chakram planejante, sou a determinação. Do Ishiraku-hame até o topo da montanha. Minha história de superação, a vila me acompanha. Acreditar em mim é a chave pra seguir. Com força da amizade, vou além do limite. O ninja laranja, minha lenda eu escrevo. Rasengan girando, kunai na minha mão. Chakram planejante, sou a She walks in like a fever, got me burning up. Every eye in the room, yeah, she's turning up. She's got that confidence you can't deny. A little danger in her smile, a fire in her eyes. She's the type that you can't let go. Got me feeling high, moving slow. She's got me hooked, I can't pretend. With every move, she's setting the trend. She's bad, oh so bad, in all the right ways. Got me lost in her rhythm, caught in her gaze. She's got that vibe that I can't resist. Bad intentions, every single kiss. She's a mystery, wrapped in a little black dress. Knows how to play the game, and she plays it best. She's got me tangled up in every word. And when she moves, it's the sexiest thing I've ever heard. She's the type that you can't let go. Got me feeling high, moving slow. She's got me hooked, I can't pretend. With every move, she's setting the trend. She's bad, oh so bad, in all the right ways. Got me lost in her rhythm, caught in her gaze. She's got that vibe that I can't resist. bad intentions, every single kiss. She's the queen of the night, ruling the scene. Every step she takes is like something out of dream. She's got me under her spell, I'm falling hard. But with her I don't need to keep up my guard. She's bad, oh so bad, in all the right ways. Got me lost in a rhythm, caught in her gaze. She's got that vibe that I can't resist. Bad intentions, every single kiss. Yeah, she's bad, and she knows it too. Got me wrapped around, don't know what to do.
Here's everything we've taken off the hyper scooter and the pro scooter so far. And there's 3 things going into the junk pile. You know, this is the realistic things of owning electric stuff. Things break, and this is what our pile's looking like so far. We got our Suron motor down right now. So, you know, leave a comment what upgrades I should do for the Suron. We got to do something. So let me know. You know, I'm also thinking about getting the mini Starkvarg, and I don't know, leave a comment what bike I should get. And then we also got the 72-volt battery that's like bubbling up. That's no bueno up in this pile, which is definitely super sad, and I'll make a video on that later. Still got to hit up the company first. And then we got these 3 things going in the pile now off the turbo pheaton hyper scooter. First we got the hub motor, which could be fixed. It's just the wires right here are all busted up. So if you know how to do wire work, it's pretty simple. This one is just a pain, and yeah, and it's also kind of rusted up in there, so that's why I'm getting a new one. And then the controller, it works, but it's blown. It only goes half the speed, and I want the full speed. So that's why we got to get new controller and motor. And then our rear suspension is also broken. So that's a junk pile and things we need to get. And here's everything else we've taken off. First we got our turbo pheaton deck. We got the Tanner Fox Pro Scooter deck. We got the fork, both of those right there. We got the scooter swing arms, the suspension. We got the rotors along with the hub motor. And then we got our upper triple clamp. We got our clamps over there. We got our tires. We're going to be putting on different ones. But we got our steering damper. We got our headlight, mounting plate, bracket. We got the deck plate along with our handlebars for both of them. And then we also have our box full of our electrical stuff, you know, our wire harness, our lights, grips, our tail lights, and just a whole bunch of dumb shit like that. And this box over here, we have all our stock razor parts. If you guys want to see a giveaway on this, let me know. You know, I don't need them, but it's got a nice motor. It's got the freaking brakes and whatnot. Let me know. Batteries are shit though. They only work like 25 minutes. But yeah, boys, that's about it. This is part 1. We just got everything stripped down. And part 2, we're gonna be showing you guys all the parts we got and taking it to go get a powder coat. And for part 3, we're gonna be putting it together and going to mob it, see how the performance is. But yeah, you guys, if you can guess the new parts, I'm getting the brakes, the suspension, and the wheels, pro scooter wheels for the pro scooter. Give you guys some money, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.